If you're wondering whether Gentura AI lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. Because after testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software before you even think about using it. And trust me, the last one is something nobody's talking about. Before we dive in, you can try Gentura AI completely free using the first link below. No credit card. And I'll explain why that's a big deal in just a second. So let's get into it. First, Gentura AI is built to be a multi-purpose AI assistant that works across copywriting, data analysis, image generation, and workflow automation. Right away, what sets it apart is how smooth the interface feels. It doesn't feel like another ChatGPT clone. It's fast, clean, and built for real productivity. You're not just chatting, you're executing. Second, it connects with your apps. Gentura isn't just a chatbot. It plugs into your docs, spreadsheets, Slack, Notion, and even your CRM, which means it doesn't just talk, it does. You can generate reports, summaries, client proposals, and even automate follow-ups, all from one place. Third, and this is important, Gentura AI doesn't gatekeep features like a lot of newer AI software. In the free plan, you already get access to their most valuable tools. That includes prompt templates, workflow automations, and even real-time team collaboration. That's almost unheard of for a launch product. Fourth, their AI image generator is surprisingly good. I tested it against Midjourney and DALL-E, and while it's not quite there in terms of depth, it's extremely usable and fast. For marketers or content creators who want speed without sacrificing quality, this works. Fifth, Gentura's tone control and prompt memory are seriously advanced. You can train it to respond in your brand voice, and it remembers context across prompts. This makes it ideal for digital marketers, agency owners, or anyone who needs consistent branding across emails, landing pages, and content. Sixth, speed. Everything in Gentura runs faster than most tools I've used. That's probably because they're using optimized infrastructure designed for scale. And the fewer seconds you spend waiting on generation, the more you get done. And finally, the seventh thing, and this is the one I hinted at earlier, Gentura is already releasing API access and white label options. That tells me they're building for the long haul. If you're someone running a SaaS, marketing agency, or you just want to resell a high-performing AI tool under your own brand, this is one of the best early-stage opportunities I've seen in months. If you're serious about using AI to boost productivity, automate workflows, or scale content creation, Gentura AI is easily one of the most exciting releases this year. You can try it free right now from the link in the description. And if you want to go deeper, I've listed my top recommended AI tools, the ones that actually save you time and make you money, down below. I've tested thousands, and these are the ones worth trying.